Section 11.7 homework. I have questions about some of the problems, so I thought I'd make a little video for number 29, where y equals -7 times 4x squared plus 9x to the power of 3/2. So this is a composed function. It's a function of a function. So the inner function we'll call the g of x is the 4x squared plus 9x. And the outer function is the f of x, the -7x to the 3/2. So if you put the g function into the f function, you get the y that we're looking at. So we need the derivatives of both of these functions. So g prime of x is going to be 8x plus 9 using the power rule. And f prime of x will be -7 times 3/2 x to the 1/2. So then the chain rule is what we need for composition of functions. The chain rule says I want f prime of g of x. So I want to put the g function into the f prime function, and then I'm going to multiply by g prime of x. So that's going to be -21 over 2. And then you put the g function, 4x squared plus 9x, into the f function. So that means take it to the 1/2 power. Then you can multiply it by g prime, which is 8x plus 9, which needs to be in parentheses. Okay, so this is not completely simplified. This is the answer in the book, but I want it completely simplified. So I want you to notice that there's a GCF, a greatest common factor, of x in this term. So I can write it as -21/2, factor out the x, and have 4x plus 9. And that is to the power of 1/2, and then that's times the 8x plus 9. So if you have a product AB to the power of n, you take a to the n and b to the n to simplify it. So I'll have -21/2 x to the 1/2 times 4x plus 9 to the 1/2 times 8x plus 9. And that is completely simplified. So just get in the habit of looking for greatest common factors in every pair of parentheses you're working with. Okay, so that's number 29, and my answer looks a little bit different than the one in the book. So let me know if you have questions.